Beneath the surface of Venezuela's wealth lies a story wrapped in shadows, where opulent oil reserves whisper secrets of fortunes diverted and ambitions unfulfilled. Far from public view, intricate decisions and currency manipulations weave a complex tapestry that tightens with every turn. This tale asks not for your judgment, but for an audience to witness its silent crescendo. It is the quiet reverberation of choices powerful yet unseen. The triggering moment. The 1973 oil embargo led to skyrocketing oil prices, a pivotal turning point that showered Venezuela with immense wealth. Suddenly, a nation was afloat in riches that promised prosperity for generations. The origin. Reliance on oil wealth became the backbone of Venezuela's economy. Political promises tied to petrodollars laid the foundation for dependency, while other sectors withered. The mechanism. In response to fluctuating oil prices, the government implemented strict currency controls. Intentions to stabilize turned into restrictions that stifled trade and investment. Acceleration. Political decisions, such as nationalization and corruption, expedited economic decline. Decisions made in opulent halls strained the financial framework, amplifying instability. The scale. The economic collapse became pervasive, from crumbling infrastructure to empty supermarket shelves. A wealth of oil couldn't cushion the systemic failures. Exposure and stress. The global stage watched as Venezuela's dire situation unfolded. International press captured the stark reality of poverty amidst potential prosperity. Why it still matters. Today's ongoing crisis in Venezuela reminds the world of the fragile nature of wealth, built on singular resources and volatile politics. The story lingers as a warning. As the shadows deepen, the echoes of Venezuela's choices linger in the dance between wealth and ruin. The legacy of power employed and misused resonates like a distant thunder, prompting questions louder than answers. What does it mean to own riches that cannot be spent, to lead a nation into its own silence? Could it be that within these unanswered questions lies the truth of a nation's fading heartbeat?